Forests are home to most of Earth's terrestrial biodiversity. They supply water, provide livelihoods, mitigate climate change, and are essential for sustainable food production. Yet, deforestation and forest degradation continue at alarming rates. We must take bold actions to reverse the loss of forests and their biodiversity for the benefit of current and future generations. 15 billion, the number of trees which are being cut down every year. Trees are being cut down for making houses, for grazing lands, for making paper. Trees are being cut illegally by loggers. The Amazon rainforest is being destroyed at the rate of 2 lakh hectares per day, which is equal to 15 hectares per minute. About 20% of the Amazon rainforest is already destroyed, so we have to plant more trees. But the number of trees planted each year is only 1.9 billion, and this is very less. So what can we do for this? After some discussion.
Happy day everyone. Trees are indeed very important because animals or birds or even human beings, we are dependent on trees. So in this situation we need to increase the green cover of our earth. This is the only way we can increase the oxygen level. So I am initiating by planting one sapling. I am challenging my students of class 10A to plant at least one sapling as an initiative to follow the words of Dr. Abdul Kalam. Hope my students will do it. Thank you.
I accept Suguna ma'am's challenge. One mature leafy tree can produce enough oxygen for 10 people in a single season. On average, one tree produces 260 pounds of oxygen in a single year. This is very important in densely populated and polluted areas like cities. In cities, the oxygen levels are 6% lower. As a part of this challenge, I have sowed tomato seeds because it is not a good idea to go to shops frequently during this pandemic to buy tomatoes. Tomatoes are a major source of antioxidant lycopene, which has many health benefits. It is rich in vitamin C, A, and potassium and helps to lower blood pressure and reduce blood sugar level. It also prevents cardiovascular diseases. It prevents the risk of cancer and it is good for your skin, heart, and hair. It helps to boost our immunity and burn fat. Now I challenge my friend Vidya to plant a tree.
Hello everyone, this is Sridhya Prakash and I accept the challenge by Danu Pragadish on sowing a seed. Here I am sowing coriander seeds as they are cheaply and readily available in the markets. They grow within a short period of time. They can be used for cooking purposes too. Trees and plants maintain the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. Trees also purify the atmosphere, which is very important for human survival. So plant more trees and give the earth to future generations the same way our ancestors gave us. Now, I challenge Muttaya Karthik to sow a seed.
I accept your challenge. Trees release water vapor to transpiration and evaporation through their leaves. They also provide shade to the ground and buildings. This increases the cooling effect by them and also reduces energy usage. A single tree, on average, provides a cooling effect of equivalent to 10 air conditioners running for 20 hours a day. Spinach helps in reducing our blood sugar. Spinach also helps us to reduce weight. Spinach also has anti-inflammatory properties. Spinach also helps us to reduce our hypertension. Spinach is also good for our eyes. Next, I challenge Jashwantika to plant a plant.
I accept the challenge by Muthiya Karthik. In a year, a single mature tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide. It's thought that globally our forests absorb 40% of man-made CO2 before these emissions reach our outer atmosphere where it can trap more heat. Because of their size and density, trees are much better than this rather than plants. Today I have planted a sapling as a safety measure to save our Mother Earth. This is a mint plant. These plants are seen all over India and there are about 600 varieties of these mints. They have distinguished flavor and color. They are also used for important medicinal treatments. Now, I challenge Sam Rosario to plant a tree.
Thank you, Jashwantika, and I accept your challenge. We know that carbon dioxide is very harmful for humans and they are present everywhere and we breathe out carbon dioxide. These trees absorb carbon dioxide and help humans to form a clean ecosystem. Not only that, they also absorb some toxic nutrients which are harmful to humans. Now, let us plant a fenugreek plant which is going to help our environment largely. So now, let us see here. I have sowed a fenugreek seed in a pot and watered the plant here. Now, let us see the advantages and benefits of the fenugreek seed. Fenugreek are very easy to grow and they take very less time, less than a week to grow. They also constitute some medical benefits. They improve weight loss, they reduce the risk of diabetes and blood pressure and also help heart conditions. Now, I challenge my friend Ravina to plant a tree.
I accept Sam's challenge.
Trees and plants are a source of habitat and a food for other different types of species in this urban environment. They are also called as the primary producers and they come in the first place of the food cycle. So today, as a way to conserve our Mother Earth, I have planted 2 different rare species of flowers in plastic bottles as a way to recycle. So this is called time flower or table rose. Their scientific name is Protifloca grandiflora. They grow up to 40 centimeters tall and they come in 40 different varieties. I challenge Shanmugapriyan to plant a tree.
Trees help us with our ability to cope mentally with life in an artificial urban environment.
Hi everyone, this is Shreya. So I accept the challenge. Why should we plant more and more trees? Planted strategically, trees in properties near homes and other buildings helps to create shade and blocks winds. This helps to reduce the need for heating in winter and the need for cooling in summer. So today we have planted a tulsi sapling. What are the benefits of Tulsi? Tulsi is rich in vitamin C and zinc, which makes it a natural immunity booster. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties which keeps infections at bay. It is a blood purifier and helps us prevent all infections and diseases. It helps us to prevent cold and flu. Now, I would like to challenge Tarun. Sow a seed to increase the plant cover to make the earth more and more green.
Thank you, Shreya. I accept your challenge. Trees helps us in absorbing the loud noise in our atmosphere, especially in an urban environment like that of ours. And there are many more reasons to plant trees, so when you get a chance to plant tree, don't miss it. So as a part of this challenge, I have planted this orange hibiscus. It has a vibrant, beautiful orange color to it, and this makes my garden look even more beautiful, and it also has lots of nutritional value as its leaf and the flower can be used for several other medical purposes as well. And that's it. Now I challenge my friend Shreya Anand to plant a tree.
I accept Tarun's challenge. Plants are really important for the planet and for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen from their leaves, which humans and other animals need to breathe. Plants supply food to nearly all terrestrial organisms, including humans. We eat either plants or other organisms that eat plants. Plants maintain the atmosphere. They produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. They provide many products for human use such as firewood, timber, fibers, medicines, dyes, etc. They create habitats for many organisms. A single tree may provide food and shelter to many species of insects, worms, mammals, birds, etc. I have planted Kalanchoe pinnata. Its scientific name is Bryophyllum pinnatum, which is also known as the air plant, cathedral bells, life plant, and miracle leaf. It is a succulent plant native to Madagascar, which is a popular house plant and has become naturalized in subtropical and tropical regions. It is used for healing wounds in traditional medicine to treat psychiatric disorders.